Good morning all, I am Praveena, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today our topic is double integral in polar coordinates. Okay, previously we discussed double integral in Cartesian coordinates. What is the difference between Cartesian coordinates and polar coordinates means, in that Cartesian coordinates we have to calculate the double integral value within the xy axis. But in the polar coordinates, we have to integrate double integral value within the radius and the angle. That's the difference between Cartesian coordinates and the polar coordinates for the double integral. Okay, now I'll discuss double integration in polar coordinates. What is the form of the polar coordinates for the double integration here? Integration of theta 1 to theta 2 and integration of r1 to r2 and the function f of r comma theta dr d theta form. Once you observe here the function, okay, in terms of radius and the angle, and that limits also r1 to r2, that are the radius, and the limit values for the angles are theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, then integrate with respect to dr and d theta. Okay, that's the polar form of the double integration. Okay, we first integrate with respect to r between the limits r1 and r2, keeping theta 1 is fixed. What is the first condition for that? Okay, first integrate with respect to r1 and r2. Okay, then here keeping theta 1 is fixed. Okay, and that after the integration of r1 r and substituting the limit points of r1 and r2, and then integrate with the function with respect to theta, and then substitute the angles theta 1 and theta 2. That's the first concept. In this integral, this r1 and r2 are the functions of theta, and theta 1 and theta 2 are constants. Okay, that's the concept here. First integrate with respect to r, and after that integrate with respect to theta. That is the concept of double integration in polar coordinates. Let us start with the first question, that explanation of this polar form. That is, the first question, by transforming into polar coordinates, evaluate double integral of x square y square by x square plus y square into dx dy over annular region between the circles x square plus y square is equal to 10 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, once you observe the question, okay, here the given question is in the form of the function is in xy. What is the function here? X square y square by x square plus y square. Okay, and the integration with respect to dx dy. But here the condition, the given Cartesian form, now we have to transform into polar coordinates, and within the region between, here they are given two circles. What are the two circles here? X square plus y square is equal to 10 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, these two are the circles standard forms. Okay, these two are in the circles standard forms. It passes through the origin. For that case, whatever the first circle here, x square plus y square is equal to 10, and the second circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, now I'll take x square plus y square is equal to r square form. From that first circle here, x square plus y square is equal to, okay, here r is equal to, here r square is equal to 10. From that, r is equal to how much? Root 10. From the second circle, x square plus y square is equal to 4. From the standard form of the circle equation here, r square is equal to 4. From that, r is equal to how much? 2. Okay. These are the circle equations for these two circles. Here we got r radius as root 10 and one more circle that radius as 2. Now let us start with the diagram here. What is the diagram here? R is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 10. From that, r is equal to root 10, that is 3.17 something. And next, x square plus y square is equal to 4. From that, r is equal to 2. First, I'll draw the diagram for both the circle equations. For that, first one, x square plus y square is equal to 10. What is that? Okay, that is x square plus y square is equal to 10. Okay, and next, what about the second equation? X square plus y square is equal to 4. That is x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is the diagram. Okay, now we have to calculate within the two circles. Okay, that's the diagram. First, before going through evaluation of the given function, first I'll convert each and every term in terms of r and theta. How I'll convert this here? Let us start with the parametric equations. What are the parametric equations for that? Okay, if we are converting Cartesian to polar coordinates means here some conditions are there. What are the conditions here? Here x is equal to r cos theta. And what is r here? Radius. And cos theta, that is cos theta. And next, I'll convert in terms of the parametric equation form. That is y is equal to r into sine theta form. R is the radius and sine theta as the angle. Okay. Now, from that, first I'll take x square plus y square. Once you observe the given question, here what is the denominator part? That is x square plus y square. Now I'll convert each and every term is in the polar coordinate form. That's why I'll convert here. X is equal to r cos theta whole square plus y means r sin theta whole square is equal to how much? X square plus y square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. That is equal to, I'm taking the first equation, that x square plus y square is equal to how much? 10. X square plus y square is equal to 10. From that, r square into cos square theta plus r square into sin square theta. From that is equal to how much? 10. Here r square is common, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 10. From that, r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much? 1, that is equal to 10. From that, r is equal to how much? Root 10. Once you observe, previously I discussed directly from r value. This is one method. Directly from the standard form of that also we got r is equal to root 10. And from the parametric equations, after substituting the parametric equations also, we got the first circle equation, r value is equal to how much? Root 10. R is equal to root 10. Similarly, I am substituting here x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta in the second circle equation. From that, I got r is equal to how much? 2. Okay, r is equal to 2. I'll start with that. Okay, here x square plus y square is equal to, I'll take 4. That is the second circle equation. From that, x square is equal to r square cos square theta plus y square means r square sin square theta. That is equal to how much? 4. And from that, r square common here, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 4. From that, r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much? 1. That is equal to 4. R square is equal to 4. From that, r is equal to how much? 2. R is equal to 2. Okay. r is equal to 2. Once you observe from the standard form of the circle equation also, we got directly r is equal to 2. After converting as parametric equations from that polar form, we got r is equal to how much? 2. Okay, therefore now we can convert each and every term as in r. Okay, here x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. From that, from the first circle we got r is equal to root 10, and from the second circle r is equal to 2. Okay, and here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. How I'll take here 0 to 2 pi? Generally from the diagram, okay, circle always varies with 0 to 360 degrees. 0 to 360 degrees. That's why I'm converting that. Here I'll take the limit points for the theta as 0 to 2 pi, and the r, radius r limits are root 10 to 2. Okay, root 10 to 2. That's why I'm taking here root 10 to 2. Okay, now I'm substituting each and every value in the given question. What is the form of the given question? Double integral of x square y square by x square plus y square into dx dy. Okay, now I'm substituting here. That is, okay, I'm converting the given question is in polar form. That is integral of 0 to 2 pi. That are the angles 0 to 2 pi, and the radiuses are, if you have taken x square plus y square is equal to 10, for that case r is equal to how much? Root 10, and x square plus y square is equal to 4, for that case r is equal to how much? 2. Okay, now I'm converting here. What's the given question? X square y square by x square plus y square. From that, what is x here? R cos theta whole square, and into x, that is second one, x r sin theta whole square, by what about x square plus y square? That is r square. Okay, x square means r cos theta whole square plus r sin theta whole square. That is r square into cos square theta into r square into sin square theta by here. Okay, here what is common in both the terms? R square is common. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is equal to what? R power 4 into cos square theta sin square theta by r square into cos square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much? 1. That is r square as 1. Therefore, from that function we got r power 4 cos square theta sin square theta by r square. Here one r square and one r square cancel, and the remaining part as r square cos square theta into sin square theta. R square cos square theta into sin square theta. Okay, I'm substituting like this here. R square. Okay, therefore this is equal to what? Integral 0 to 2 pi and integral root 10 to 2 r square cos square theta into sin theta. And what about dx dy? Here one condition is there for dx dy. If we are converting the Cartesian to polar form, means dx dy is equal to what? R into dr d theta. I'm substituting here dx dy is equal to r into dr d theta. That is equal to what? Integral 0 to 2 pi integral root 10 to 2 r square into r is equal to how much? That is r cube. R cube into cos square theta sin square theta dr d theta. That's why here we got, okay, integration of 0 to 2 pi and integration of root 10 to 2 r cube cos square theta into sin square theta dr d theta. Okay, these are the r limits and these are theta limits. Okay, what is the concept of the polar form? First integration with respect to r. Okay, first integration with respect to r. That is, with respect to r integration here, cos square theta and sin square theta are the constants, and remaining r cube integration is r power 4 by 4. R power 4 by 4. And what are the limit points for that? Lower limit is root 10 and the upper point as 2 from the two circle equations into d theta. That is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin square theta. Now substitute the r limit points here. What are the limit points for r? 2 and root 10. Now I am substituting the upper point as 2 power 4 minus lower point as root 10 power 4 by whole divided by 4 into d theta. That is this one. Okay, from that integral 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin square theta, 2 power 4 means how much? 16 minus root 10 power 4 means 1 square and root cancel, remaining as 10 square, that as 100 by 4. 16 minus 100 by 4 into d theta. 16 minus 100 by 4 into d theta. That is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin square theta. 16 minus 100 is equal to how much? Minus 84 by 4 into d theta. Minus 84 by 4 into d theta. From that I am taking here 0 to 2 pi, I am taking minus outside. 84 by 4 means how much? 4 2s are 4 1s. That is minus 21. In minus 21 into integral 0 to 2 pi cos square theta sin square theta d theta. Okay. Once you observe, which is in the form of what? Sin 2 theta formula form. What is the form of the sin 2 theta? 2 cos theta sin theta. From that, I am multiplying and dividing with 4. Why? Because it is in the square terms. That's why I am multiplying and dividing with the 4 cos square theta sin square theta d theta. Cos square theta sin square theta d theta. That is minus 21 into integral. I'll take denominator outside and the remaining part 0 to 2 pi 2 cos square theta sin 2 cos theta sin theta. I'll take whole square of d theta form. Okay. Now which is in the form of minus 21 by 4 integral 0 to 2 pi 2 cos theta sin theta means what? Sin 2 theta whole square d theta form. Okay. Sin 2 theta whole square d theta form. After that, here and see observe, that's why here multiplying and dividing with 4. After that it will convert minus 21 by 4 into 0 to 2 pi sin 2 theta whole square into d theta form. Okay, next step here I am writing that minus 21 by 4 into sin 2 theta. Direct formula for sin 2 theta whole square, that is integral 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2 into d theta. Already we know that what is the sin square theta formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here sin 2 theta whole square means from that I'll take 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2 form. Okay, from that minus 21 by 4 into, okay, I'll take 2 is also outside, 2 into 4 as 8 integral 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos 4 theta into d theta. Integral of 0 to 2 pi 1 minus cos 4 theta into d theta form. Now from that minus 21 by 8 one integration with respect to theta as theta and cos 4 theta integration as sin 4 theta by 4. Sin 4 theta by 4 and the limit points are 0 to 2 pi and the limit points are 0 to 2 pi. From that minus 21 by 8 into minus 21 by 8 into here what is the upper limit point? 2 pi. Now I'm substituting in place of theta that has 2 pi minus sine 4 of 2 pi by 4 minus of theta means 0 minus sine 4 of 0 by 4. Okay, from that minus 21 by 8 into 2 pi. What about the value of sine 8 pi? Sine 8 pi value how much? Sine 8 pi value as 0. Sine 8 pi value as 0 minus 0 of sine 0 also 0. Therefore, the final answer for this, that is, I'll write here minus 21 by 8 into 2 pi. Here 2 fours are. That is minus 21 pi by 4. Okay. What about the answer for this? 1 is not compulsory. It is equal to what? Minus 21 pi by 4. This is the final answer. Okay, once again I'll repeat this. Okay, if they are given Cartesian to have to convert the polar coordinates means here we can take the parametric equations x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. From that we can convert x and y are in terms of polar form r and theta. Now I'm converting two circles x square plus y square is equal to 10 and x square plus y square is equal to 4 as in the polar form. From that we got r is equal to root 10 and r is equal to 2. Okay, from the first circle I'm taking the first up limit point for r as root 10 and from the second circle limit point r as 2, and generally we know that circle is varies on the angle is in 0 to 2 pi. That's why I'm considering theta limits are 0 to 2 pi. Now I'm substituting each and every point in the given question function as in the Cartesian form. From that I'm substituting here. Okay, now it will convert it is in terms of r comma theta. After that calculation of that we got the final answer is minus 21 pi by 4. Minus 21 pi by 4 as the polar form of the transforming into polar coordinates. Double integral of x square y square by x square plus y square into dx dy. Answer is minus 21 pi by 4. Okay, for this type of question I'll clearly explain in the area form. Okay, we got minus 21 pi by 4. If you are going through the diagram for the same question, once you observe here what is upper point, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here the lower point as x square plus y square equal to 4. From that r is equal to 2 and the upper point as x square plus y square is equal to 10. From that r is equal to root 10. That means through the diagram, if you are going through the diagram here, what are the limit points for that? 2 to root 10, but I am taking here root 10 to 2. Both are same only. I am explaining this concept clearly in the area. But for this question, only what they are asking, transforming Cartesian to polar form. For that case, I am taking from the first circle r is equal to root 10 and from the second circle r is equal to 2. That's why I am considering the first upper limit point as root 10 and the second circular limit point as 2. Okay, for the same question I am explaining area concept as in the next topic. Okay, therefore for the first question, double integral of x square y square by x square plus y square into dx dy. Okay, answer is minus 21 pi by 4. Okay, now next I'll go through the second question here. Double integral of r square sin theta into dr d theta form over the cardioids r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Here directly given the question is evaluation of r and theta. Previous question, transformation between Cartesian to polar form, but the second question is directly given in the polar form. But polar form, you have to calculate the question is in polar form, but over the cardioids, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. What is the cardioid form here? That is, this is the cardioid form. Okay, this area, this radius is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. If they are given the question, the radius as r into a, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, means for that case cardioid form is this one, and here theta is equal to 0, and here pi by 2, and here pi, and here, okay, 3 pi by 2, okay, 0, pi by 2, pi next to 2, this is 2 pi, here 3 pi by 2, like this, okay, here 0, pi by 2, pi. Once you observe, okay, once you observe here theta varies, and once you see the diagram of this, here the diagram is 0 to pi by 2, on first quadrant 0, pi by 2, pi, and next one is 3 pi by 2, and next one is 2 pi, like this. Okay, here once you observe the diagram is varies on initial angle as theta 0 to, and it ends on pi. Okay, that means this cardioid area angle is theta is equal to 0 to 180 degrees. Okay, here initially it touches at 0 degrees and ends at pi. That's why we are considering the angle for the cardioid. Theta is equal to 0 to pi, and r limit points. Okay, and what are the limit points for that r? Here initially radius starts from 0. Here 0 to, for the given question, cardioid area is equal to how much? A into 1 plus cos theta. R is equal to A into 1 plus cos theta. Once you observe from the diagram here, I am considering R limit points are 0 to A into 1 plus cos theta, and it varies theta is 0 to pi. That's why I am taking here R limits are 0 to A into 1 plus cos theta, and the limit points are for the theta as 0 to pi. Okay, now I am substituting each and every point in the given question. That is integral of theta limits are 0 to pi, and the r limits are r is equal to, initial it starts from 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta. And what about the function here? Function is r square sin theta into dr d theta. R square sin theta into dr d theta. From that, first I am integrating. What is the concept of the polar coordinates? First integrate with respect to the r. That's why here integral 0 to pi, r square integration as r cube by 3. R square integration as r cube by 3, and the limit points are 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta, and sin theta here, and d theta. Okay, that is a cube by 3 here. I am substituting the limit points here. That is integral 0 to pi. First upper point for the r is a into 1 plus cos theta whole cube by 3 minus of 0 cube by 3 into sin theta d theta, into sin theta d theta. From that a cube by 3, integral 0 to pi, a cube by 3 here, 1 plus cos theta whole cube into sin theta d theta. After substituting the limit points of r, it will convert a cube by 3 into integral 0 to pi sin theta 1 plus cos theta whole cube into d theta form. Now, okay, now I'll integrate with respect to theta. Directly, if we are integrating with respect to theta, directly, is there any formula for that? There is no formula, and it is very difficult to find. Okay, this function of sin theta into 1 plus cos theta whole cube within d theta. That's why first let us assume 1 plus cos theta as some variable. That is easily calculating the integration with respect to theta. For that case, I'm taking the function as a single term, that as t. I'm assuming here 1 plus cos theta is equal to t. From that, I'm differentiating first with respect to theta. That is, okay, with respect to theta means cos theta differentiation as minus sin theta is equal to 1 integration as, 1 differentiation as 0. That is 0 minus sin theta, and t differentiation with respect to theta as dt by d theta. dt by d theta. From that, what about dt? dt is equal to minus sin theta into d theta. Okay, therefore, what is dt here? Minus sin theta into d theta. If you are converting each and every term in t means, now I'll convert the limit points also in t. Okay, now I'm converting the limit points also in t form. What is the lower point for theta here? 0. If you are substituting, let us take this as the first equation. For that, I'm substituting theta is equal to 0. 1 plus cos 0 is equal to t. Okay, 1 plus cos 0 value how much? 1 is equal to t. T is equal to how much? 2. Therefore, if you are taken theta is equal to 0, for that case, t is equal to how much? 2. Okay, t is equal to 2. Okay, next, if you are taken theta is equal to pi, that is the upper point for the theta, I am substituting in the first equation. From that, 1 plus cos of pi. 1 plus cos pi is equal to t. 1 plus cos pi value is how much? Minus 1. That is equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to how much? 0. Okay. Therefore, if you are taken theta is equal to pi, okay, from that case we got t is equal to 0. If you are taken theta is equal to 0, for that case t is equal to 2. For that case t is equal to 2. Now I am substituting the limit points here. That is, therefore, I is equal to a cube by 3 integral of 0 to, okay, if you are taken theta is equal to 2, that is I is equal to a cube by 3. If you are taken limit point as theta is equal to 0 means, for that case I am taking 2. And if you are taken theta is equal to pi, for that case t is equal to how much? 0. And what about 1 plus cos theta? T. 1 plus cos theta as t, and sin theta d theta is equal to what? Minus of dt. Minus of dt. Once you see this is equal to what? A cube by 3 into integral of 2 to 0 minus t into dt. But we have one concept for this. Integral of a to b f of x dx is equal to what? Integral of b to a minus integral of b to a f of x dx. When we are using this concept, if you are converting, okay, if you are converting upper limit as lower limit and lower limit as upper limit means, for that case, what is the formula for that? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus of integral b to a f of x dx. Now I am using this concept for this, that is a cube by 3 into minus of, I am taking lower limit as 0 and upper limit as 2 by using this concept, into what about the function here? Minus t into dt. Minus t into dt. That is equal to a cube by 3 minus into minus what? Plus. Okay, minus into minus plus, that is integral 0 to 2. Okay, here 1 minus t cube. Okay, a cube by 3 into minus what? Plus t cube into dt. That's why I'm writing directly here a cube by 3 into integral 0 to 2 t cube dt form. Okay, now if it converted simply, that is in terms of t. Now I'll integrate with respect to t, that is a cube by 3 into t cube integration as t power 4 by 4. t power 4 by 4. And what are the limits for that? 0 to 2 here, t. Okay, t power 4 by 4, limit points are 0 to 2. From that, a cube by 3 here, I am substituting the upper point as 2, that is 2 power 4 by 4 minus lower point as 0 power 4 by 4. From that, a cube by 3 into 2 power 4 means 1 2 square and 1 2 square cancel. Here we got 4 minus 0. Therefore, the final answer from that 4a cube by 3. Okay, therefore, the evaluation of the double integral of r square into sine theta dr d theta value how much? 4a cube by 3. 4a cube by 3. This is the second question for the polar form. Now we'll discuss one more question on the polar form. That's the third question. That evaluation of integral 0 to pi by 2, integral of 0 to infinite r dr d theta by r square plus a square whole square. R dr d theta by r square plus a square whole square. Same as previous questions. What is the concept of the polar form? Polar form means first we have to integrate with respect to r, and after that integrate with respect to theta. Here I is equal to, what about the given question here? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, integral of 0 to infinite r dr by r square plus a square whole square d theta. From that, first I am integrating with respect to r, that as I'll write here, that is 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to infinite r dr by r square plus a square whole square into dr d theta. Is there any direct formula for r square plus a square whole square dr? There is no direct formula. For that case also, I am taking the denominator t is equal to r square plus a square form. Okay, I am assuming the denominator here r square plus a square. Why? Because it is very difficult to find the integration of r by r square plus a square whole square. For that case, that function I will reduce as the single term. That's why I am taking here the denominator as r square plus a square is equal to t form. Okay, now I am differentiating this as with respect to r, that is dt by dr is equal to what? 2r. dt by dr is equal to 2r. From that, what about dt? dt is equal to 2r into dr. 2r into dr. Now I am converting each and every term as t means. Now I will convert the limit points also in terms of t. If you are taken t is r is equal to 0, substitute in the first equation. From that, t is also, okay, t is also 0. Okay, and from that, if you are taken r is t infinite, from that t is also infinite. Okay, therefore here r is equal to 0 means t is equal to 0, r is equal to infinite means t is equal to infinite. Now I am using that here. Okay, I am substituting the points in the given question, that is 0 to pi by 2. Limit points are here. Limit points 0 to infinite r dr. 2r dr means what? dt. That means it is dt by 2 divided by r square plus a square means what? That is t square. That is t square. From that integral 0 to pi by 2, and I am taking 1 by 2 outside, and 0 to infinite dt by t square into dt by t square. What about the integration of 1 by t square? That is 1 by 2 into minus 2 by t cube. Minus 2 by t cube. And the limit points are 0 to infinite, and one more limit points for 0 to pi by 2. Okay, into dt. Minus 2 by t cube into integral 0 to infinite dt. And next minus 2 by t cube. Here 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel, and after that substituting the limit points 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, upper point as 1 minus 1 by infinite, minus of minus plus 1 by 0 into dt, From that, next. Now integral 0 to pi by 2, okay, this is 1. From that we got d theta means here d theta. From that 0 to pi by 2 d theta means what? Theta. And what are the limit points for that? 0 to pi by 2. Once you observe here any mistake, 2 are dr by dt by t square, that is minus 2 by t cube, 0 to infinite, 2 cancel, minus, okay, here minus 1 by r square plus s. Okay, wait. Here 0 to pi by 2 dt, after that 0 to pi by 2. Here I'll write minus 1 by, what is t here? That is r square plus a square. Okay, r square plus a square, and the limit points are 0 to infinite. Here one condition, no need to take r limits, no need to convert r limits in t. Directly after the integration again I'll take t as in terms of r, and after that I'm substituting the limit points. That's why here this concept is no need for this. Okay, no need to convert the limit points. For our convenience here, first I'll convert r as in terms of t, and after the integration I'm taking t is in terms of r square plus a square, and substituting limit points are 0 to infinite. Now substitute here integral 0 to pi by 2 minus of 1 by, whatever the upper point of r here, infinite square plus a square, minus of minus plus 1 by 0 plus a square, okay, into d theta, here into d theta form. From that integral 0 to pi by 2, here, limit point first one is infinite and the second point as 1 by a square. 1 by a square into d theta. 1 by a square into d theta. Here 2 is also there, that is 2. 1 by 2. Okay, from that 1 by 2 into 1 by a square, I'm taking outside and integration with respect to theta, that is theta 0 to pi by 2. From that 1 by 2 into here a square, theta limit points are pi by 2 minus 0. From that, okay, pi by 4 a square. Therefore, the final answer for this 1 by 2a square into integral theta pi by 2 means what? That is pi by 4a square. This is the final answer for third question here. Integral of 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to infinite r dr d theta by r square plus a square whole square, value pi by 4a square. Pi by 4a square. This is the concept of converting Cartesian to polar form, and directly from the polar form we are calculating these questions. Okay, thank you. Thank you for all.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.